Hello, my loves. It's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today we're going to be planning for the first week of May in my catch-all planner. So we're going to be planning for May 1st through the 7th. Let me go ahead and pull up the pages. So welcome to my channel. I plan in 5 different planners on this channel, and all of them are classic size happy planner. So if you're into decorating, welcome. So here we go. The first sticker book I chose is the Chic Spring from Live Love Posh, and I'm going to accompany this with the Fresh Bouquet from the Happy Planner. So here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and start just pulling some boxes. So I know I wanted this teal box for sure up here. So I'm gonna go ahead and cover this on the side. This is my catch-all, so I do a lot of writing in here. I don't know how about you guys, but I do that. So that's usually my weekly to-do list. I'm gonna be using these florals from this book today. They are absolutely stunning. And if you have been with me for a little bit, you probably know that I am truly obsessed with Live Love Posh stickers. So you will know that. Okay. I'm gonna need some checklists and some functional boxes. So I'm gonna look through here to find the teal ones. Oh, this will work. Both of these. These two. Actually, let me do one yellow. Actually, oh yeah. Okay. So that's for my work schedule. So let me start with the navy blue. And I put that right here. That's going to be for my lovely work schedule. I'm going to add the teal right here. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing with the other ones yet. So I know that I kind of want to cover these flowers up here. So I'm going to put a rainbow on top like this. Okay. That is cute. I'm going to use some of these boxes for sure. Oh, I like that washi. Let's see. Ooh. You guys see that? I really like this. Okay. So I have those two. Those two. And those two. And all the colors match. So I'm going to start putting this down. I'm going to start with this, well, maybe pink, maybe this peach. I'm gonna just put this right in my box, my little to-dos. Let's add the slider blue to this one. And now I'm making some interesting choices here. Okay, so this blue one will go right here. And then drag it down. I think I'm gonna put the green one up here. Let's see. Or maybe on the bottom. Let's see. Maybe like that. Okay. And on this side, I'm gonna start with peach. It's almost like a cream peach. Then I'm gonna put this right here. Okay, and then this right here, and it's perfect. And then I can add this yellow work schedule to this one and blue one underneath here. And I think that looks pretty good so far. Excuse me, I think I'm losing my voice. Okay. So for sure more decorations and for sure more boxes. So let's do this. Oh, I like this one that says be present in the moment. Joy begins with gratitude. Be filled with wonder. I'm not add those two strips. I don't know if I want any of those. I want a couple boxes for sure. Add a yellow. Okay. Maybe I can add a yellow to this one. Teal to that one for now. Okay, and I'm gonna start adding these decorational pieces. So I'm gonna add this big rainbow right here. I love these florals. I want them in corners, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I think that looks great. Okay. I need a box and then I can put that on top. So let's add how about I do that? Okay, yeah, I like this a lot. I'm gonna add more yellow. Maybe I can add this flower arrangement right here. That one can go right there. Okay, and now let's layer this. So be filled with wonder. Be present in the moment. Okay, it's slowly filling up, slowly but surely. So I think I want a box here, 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 and maybe like something else here. So let me see what I can do. I wonder if this book has this color. Oh, they have. Okay. So this book has this color. I'm going to be adding from here as well. It's probably a smart idea to check before, right? Oh well. Okay, so I'm going to be adding some of these. Okay. So what did I say? A box here. Yeah. So I have one for Monday already. Let me put it straight if I can. Okay. Okay, so boxes galore, that's what I want. I need a box on Friday. Speaking of, I don't work this Friday. I work Wednesday. This should be somewhere here. Like that. Okay. I would like a box on Thursday. Okay. And maybe like a full box on Sunday, and I'll bring this darker teal up here. Okay. Let me see my seasonal rolls and add some more into this. Okay. So for this one, I can just put part of it into here. And then grab my scissors. Cut this. And kind of put this in here. I think, oh, good. Yeah, cute. Okay. I want a little rainbow. I'm going to put it on Friday upside down. Like that. I like that too. This one, I'm going to go ahead and sneak this into here, like so. Okay. So you guys, I'm super excited about using the new book from the Live Love Posh. I'm just waiting. My sister's graduation is the following weekend, so I can't wait to use those stickers for her graduation. Is this too much? Kind of, but I don't care. Okay, I'm gonna lift this just slightly. Like so. And add that. Okay. What else did I want to add? I think I'm okay. If anything, I'm gonna be adding quotes as I do it, or adding more stickers into this. We'll see how it goes, but for right now, it's gonna go back into my planner. So this was Deep Botanicals Classic Size Happy Planner. It is 12 months. I've been using it from the beginning of the year, and I can't get enough. So thank you so much for joining me. I hope you guys had fun. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you soon for another plan with me. Bye.